seen a cow that weighs more than a car, with muscles as strong as the Incredible Hulk? Well, have you seen naked chicks? I mean, these birds literally have no feathers. All of these things are both to do with genetic engineering, and this will be the topic of my speech today. But don't be fooled by what genetic engineering appears to be, because I'll be telling you all something that scientists and food producers don't want you to know. All cows have a gene that restricts their growth after a certain age. But to make these so-called super cows, they need to find a bull that doesn't have that gene. Next they get the bull's sperm and to inject it into a machine that kills all the bad sperm cells. This means that they're sure that the bull will grow stronger than its father. The process gets repeated throughout generations until we get a truly terrifying bull. The whole point of this is for better tasting meat, although lots of food critics say it's tasteless and chewy. But if you can do this to cows, what about humans? What if they made humans strong like that, and working slaves that can lift up cars and knock down buildings? Secondly, featherless chickens are made by transgening or genetic transfusion. What this means is that they kill a featherless animal, extract a dead gene that makes them have no feathers, and implant it into an egg while it's still forming. This means they need to then operate on chicken, navigate the egg, find the right place to plant the gene in the egg, stitch the chicken back up, and then we eat the poor things. The whole point of this is to not have to take the time of plucking the chicken. Also, if you get sheep and put some human organ DNA in it, you are able to get sheep that has a human heart, a human lung, and a human liver. But what if you used some different DNA, like the arms and legs DNA? If you use this, could the poor sheep walk? And if it could, would it be a good thing? I mean, if they bred, they would start to develop more human-like features, like having longer legs and having their eyes at the front of the head, like other predators. Sheep eyes are at the sides of the head because they're prey and need to see behind them. Last of all, there's cloning. It's meant to be amazing, isn't it? What cloning means is the cloned animal and the clone both unreproducible. This means that the animal can't mate and have a successful birth. Also, cloning weakens the organs of the animals that are clones, meaning that they are more susceptible to other diseases and parasites. Another thing about cloning is the dangers. If you cloned a human, it could think for itself and clone itself, and then the clones would clone itself, and there'd be millions of clones. Genetic engineering is bad because of the things that they do to get the final product. The reason for it all is just to be famous, earn money, and not do it for the awesome and economical reason that they say. Just ask yourself, would you be more comfortable eating something that is bigger, stronger, and more dangerous than it originally was? Would you rather eat something in the natural form, the way it was meant to be?